How to create a UAE pass and add documents like Emirates ID, visa, and labor card. 1. Download UAE Pass app. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, search UAE Pass, download and install it. You'll need your mobile number, Gmail ID, and Emirates ID card ready. 2. Open the app, then select English, then get started, then create account. Accept the terms and conditions and tap confirm. If you are a UAE resident, choose citizen or resident. 3. Scan your Emirates ID front and back inside the box. Your details will appear automatically, then tap confirm. Enter your mobile number without zero and email ID, then continue. Enter the 6-digit OTP sent to both phone and email. 4. Set a 4-digit PIN. Then do face verification in good light by following the on-screen instructions. 5. Set a sign-in password. Include a capital letter, numbers, and symbols. 6. Your UAE Pass account is now active. Tap Documents, then Federal Authority for Identity to add your Emirates ID and visa. Then go to Ministry of Human Resources to add your labor card. 7. All your official documents will appear inside your UAE Pass profile note. They cannot be downloaded.